Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, October 4th. Another delightful morning. Temperatures mostly in the 40s. Slow warming trend in the days ahead. And quite frankly, things look pretty quiet and dry. And that's good. Now let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. These are captured early this morning at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. That's the view coming from Birmingham, looking north in the Daniel Building. Go down to the Shelby County Skycam in Inverness at the Wingate Inn. Hardly anybody out there in 280 this morning. And down south in Dallas County, that's the Edmund Pettus Bridge across the Alabama River. Our big upper low near New York City is beginning to lift out. New trough coming into the west and ridging in between. And the ridging eases in here. Note that 588 circle around Shreveport, so we will be warmer in the days ahead. There's a look at temperatures this morning at 5 a.m., and we've still got a lot of 40s. In fact, everybody in the 40s except Alexander City. The cold spot, Haleyville, at 42. And around the nation, still pretty cold over the east. And again, temperatures will moderate just ever so slowly in coming days. Severe weather, forget about it. Now, out west, there will be some thunderstorms. In fact, maybe some strong storms across Arizona. One of our affiliate radio stations is in Phoenix, and they might see a few active storms out there later today, but not here. Forget the storms, forget the rain. Not happening. That's through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Heaviest rain, quite frankly, where they could use it. West Texas up through parts of the western plains out there. But again, just not happening around here. There's the tropical scene. That's Philippe. That thing's hanging in there like a rusty fish hook, you know. It's fighting some really harsh conditions, but the sustained winds are still estimated to be at 65 miles an hour. This thing's going to whip a U and ultimately move on out to sea, not bothering anybody except the shipping lanes out there. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. Again, very high amplitude pattern. Upper low is on the way out. Look at the vortex digging down through the deserts out there. And that's where the unsettled weather will be. Down below that, we are in great shape. Sunny today. Highs around 80. I'd say 77 to 80, something like that. Humidity stays low. Tomorrow's going to be a little warm. We'll start to see highs up in the low and mid-80s as the warmth comes back. And, you know, we should be around 80 here in early October. There's Thursday. Again, pretty much the same deal. Low to mid-80s. Friday. We're in good shape. Big 1,032 millibar high over New Jersey. And again, maybe some evidence of a wedge type thing, a weak wedge that might bring the numbers down a bit. Highs closer to 80, and that's pretty much the deal for the weekend. There's a look at Saturday, and you can see the setup here. That big 588 upper high is blocking the western ridge from moving. And accordingly, our weather's not going to change. So Saturday should be a nice day, the high close to 80 with a sunny sky, and Sunday. You might see a few scattered clouds, but a good supply of sunshine. High Sunday around 80. Morning lows should be in the 50s over the weekend. And by golly, it just doesn't change next week. There's Monday. A little moisture tries to creep up into southwest Alabama. And Tuesday, again, we call it partly sunny both days. The Gulf looks a little unsettled. And, you know, really the water's not been touched down there. There's still a lot of stored heat energy, but no evidence of any tropical issues. We'll check the end of the forecast October 19th. Upper high over the western Gulf. A very strong wave up north. It's the classic fall battle there, and very deep surface low over Wisconsin. Cold air coming in behind that, but again, things around here look rather quiet and benign. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.